Hi everyone, welcome to Fine Diamond. Today I'm going to make you a delicious couscous salad, so stay tuned. Alright, so I have 2 cups of Israeli couscous that's already cooked. So this is how much it yielded, quite a bit. It's still warm, and I have a wonderful plate of veggies, as you can see here. Lovely, lovely. And I also made this green sauce that I will have the measurements in the description. So right now, I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to add in my peppers because I want them to get a little bit warm with the couscous and the olives. And I'm just going to let that mingle together for maybe like 2-3 minutes. And then I'm going to add the tomatoes, cucumber, and feta towards the end. So right now I just want this to just get a little bit of heat and have the flavors come out even more. All right. Let's add in our tomatoes and our feta. Sorry if my voice is a little shaky. Sorry. I have a little cough. So I'm going to add that all in there. And I'm just going to mix this up. And you can use whatever veggies you like and how much you like. It's totally up to you. I just want to make sure it's all mixed up and incorporated. Like so. And now I'm going to get this plated and I'm going to add some of the dressing. Well, here we have it, our Israeli couscous salad. The dressing was quite thick because I added some avocado in there, which is what I wanted, because if I did pieces, then it was probably going to oxidize. So I think it's going to be all right as a dressing because I have some lime juice in there and some grapeseed oil. So those should be helping components to help it not oxidize. So this is what it looks like. And like I said, I'll leave the ingredients in the description. But this is it. Ain't she pretty? Remember to like and subscribe.